Hi guys, welcome to Fixed Cruise Limited. Here we have got the operation on this Ideal Logic C24. The boiler was making noise, and that is usually the injectors here. The venturi is blocked, so the air cannot get in. So that's why it's making much noise. So we have to clear it up. It usually comes with L2 fault code. So that needs to be cleaned and then problem solved. But it needs to be done by a competent person, gas safe registered. Don't do it yourself. You will regret, believe me. Thank you. Yeah, this was the piece. I just opened it. And this venturi, if it's clean, you don't have to do anything. Otherwise, we have to clean it up. It has got one screw. And gonna do a good flush. And otherwise, this is the cause of L2 or F2. Yep, this was the injector, cleaned for Ideal Logic. It's usually the 24 kilowatt or 30 kilowatt that gets the dirt, because the bigger this injector is, there is more space of air going into the fan. So yeah, it's clean. And the venturi as well, we did clean it. And the way that you take the venturi out, you push it up, you turn it. You can see there's a little bit